Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making this vintage ornament out of old music paper. You can go ahead and also use magazine pages or old book pages. But this would be a great time to please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep these videos coming and that you don't miss any. So let's get started with this fun project. So to begin, you're going to need 18 strips of paper, whether you use music paper, old dictionary pages, book pages, magazine pages. You'll need 18 pages. You can decide the length and the width. So I'm doing the length of the music paper, and this is about 1.5 inches or about 3.5 centimeters. So that's totally up to you on the look you want. It's very easy to do, so let's get started. The first step is you'll take your strip and you will fold it in half. And you'll flip this side up, this side over. And it almost looks like a heart, which I think is super cute. So you could even just hang the hearts up, and you can do like a garland of hearts. And then you just staple it. And you're going to repeat that 18 times. So let me show you again. Fold in half, flip this side up, this side over, and staple. So this comes together very, very quickly. It's a nice family craft as well if you want to do this with your family. Now you can do this as a Christmas ornament. You could also do it as a present topper. Lots of things you can do with this. And once you make your first group of 6, I'm going to show you how we put those together. And then you'll take 3 groups of 6 and put those together. So 5. 6. So once you have that first group of 6, then you're going to go ahead and use a glue gun, or you can use white glue if you have a bit more patience than I do. And you're going to go ahead and glue that first group of 6 together. So I already completed 1/3 of the project. So once you have your 3 groups of 6, which I've already gone ahead and completed, then you'll go ahead and glue those together, just the same way. And go ahead and add your last one. Hold that together for a second, like so. Then you can decide, you can leave it plain like this, which is quite beautiful, or I took apart some old costume jewelry, and you could glue something like that together. You could take an ornament and pull it apart like so, and then you could just even cut that little extra piece off and glue that right in the middle. I think that's very festive. I was also thinking a wooden bead, which you could either paint or leave plain. So lots of options for the middle. That's totally up to you. So for mine, I think I want to go ahead and use this old costume jewelry that I've been trying to find what to do with. So never throw away that old jewelry, or if you're at a garage sale or a thrift store, you can pull those apart, and then the beads are really, really beautiful. So I think that's very, very pretty, just like that. And then if this is going to be a gift topper, you can just go ahead and put that on the gift now. If you want to hang that up as a Christmas ornament or a decoration in your house, I'm just going to take some ribbon, like so, and attach that right here. Oops. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue here, a little bit of glue here, and go ahead and attach that like so. Squeeze that for 1 second. And there you have it. Very, very beautiful, very, very easy, and it's a great way to use up that vintage music paper or what other kind of paper and old costume jewelry. Happy folding.